our 2-chamber portable pizza oven. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 24 3/4 inches, a depth of 18.5 inches. Overall height, we have 19 1/4 inches. Included will be optional pizza legs that can be mounted beneath the pizza oven. The measurement for each leg will include 2 inches in height, so with each leg mounted, overall height of the pizza oven will be 21.5 inches tall. Included for each chamber will be 2 removable clay pans. Each pan will measure 16 by 3/8 in length by 16 1/4 in depth. Measurements will apply for the first and second clay pan for the pizza oven. Interior dimensions. We have 16.5 inches in length by 16 3/8 in depth. And for the height, we have a measurement of 5 inches. Length, depth, and height applies to the top and bottom chamber. Coming to the right will be the on-off switch, along with the bottom and top element, heating element to cook and bake your pizzas, along with the temperature dials for the top and bottom gauge. Back of the oven, we have 220, 240 voltage plug, along with the ETL certification and the technical specification for this oven. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.